Well, today, so far, a cat has killed a bird, and I'm a bit, I'm a bit sad about that. But I know that cats are predators, and it was the little kitten that killed the bird. Brought it inside, and the bird was still squeaking, and presented it to me because cats are like that. And then she chased it around the room a little bit to make sure that it was dead. Oh, ah, ah. But there are lots of birds around at the moment. I have several uh, in nests under my eaves. House martins, I think they are. And it's a lovely day today. There's a lot of sun, and it's not windy. There's a little bit of wind, but there isn't very much. And I'm sitting outside for a bit, and then with nothing much to do, I've broken my nook, so the which was something I got from off the internet 4 or 5 years ago now, but it had a liquid screen and was very good for reading outside, and I've broken it. I think it only cost about 30 quid when it was new. But anyway, well, that's it for today. More tomorrow.